What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day as always. If you guys couldn't tell, we're inside the Grand Cherokee. I'm filming a video on possibly the best single DIN radio you guys can get for a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now that's the 99 2004 model. So this radio actually has a flip out screen, so you don't need the double DIN size radio to get the big screen on it. Fully touch screen, super simple to install. I will be linking all the products I used down in the description for you guys to check out. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're super close to 1,600 subscribers, so it'd be awesome if we hit that soon. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the radio. So as you guys can see, it's a super small, slim, single DIN radio. You don't have to remove any of the vents or anything as if you would if you were installing a double DIN radio. This cord just ran through here temporarily until I get a mounting point figured out. But let's go ahead and turn the power on, and then we'll also open up the radio to show you guys what it does. So it has a super nice screen that flips up. It's all touch screen, which makes it great. Let's go ahead and let it turn on. Go back to the main screen. So these are all the different options that you have. You have a ton of options with this radio. So for example, you have the standard radio, mobile link, Bluetooth. Mobile link's what we're going to touch on a lot today. So let me go ahead and show you guys that. So now that we have mobile link set up, we'll go ahead and unlock our phone. And for example, let's just go ahead and put in directions to Rausch Creek Off-Road Park. It'll take a second to load. We'll go ahead and load the directions on our phone. So instead of having the directions only on your phone, keep having to look down, this actually displays the directions and the maps and everything live to your radio, which is awesome because you don't have to get a custom bar to mount your phone on, which is a huge advantage, less things to buy, and you can just have it directly on your screen. Another cool feature, and probably one of my favorites with the mobile link setup, is that you can display YouTube videos directly to the screen. So say you're sitting in a parking lot waiting for somebody, or you're just at an off-road park having lunch or whatever, you can pull up YouTube videos. So for example, I had Rocky TV videos pulled up. And again, you have like all the standard options that a normal radio will come with. Bluetooth, so if you don't feel like running the cords or having your phone plugged in at all times, you can connect via Bluetooth. But let's go over some of the other features of this radio. So disc, so you have a CD slot here that you can play CDs on. And again, if you close this radio, it really doesn't look like an aftermarket radio in here. It's a very clean look. It goes exactly where the stock radio would go. So I will include all these trim pieces and the radio itself and everything down in the description. You have a USB port for charging. You have your aux port, volume, all the standard buttons that a radio is going to have. But you also have the availability to flip out that screen whenever you're ready to use it. And that's honestly a huge feature over the factory setup. And to install this radio, you're really not going to need a lot. You're going to need an HDMI cord, and then you're also going to need this adapter from Apple or whatever phone you have that goes from HDMI to whatever phone port you have. You're also going to need the trim pieces, the radio itself. But that's about it. I'm also going to go down in the comments once I relocate this wire and show you guys where I relocated it to. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I did figure I'd make a video on the single DIN radio that has a flip out touchscreen, because I see a lot of people making double DIN setups, but sometimes you just really don't want to modify the inside of the car. This allows you to retain the factory setup. You get to keep the top two air vents to where you would normally get rid of those with a double DIN setup. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did actually just go pick up the wood for the storage setup we're going to be putting in the back here. So once I finish the tank tuck, I'll get more work done on that. So you'll see a couple videos on that probably within the next week and a half, somewhere in that range. But honestly, a lot of parts are showing up for the Grand Cherokee. I'm getting a lot of work done on it. I just sprayed primer on half of the Jeep so far. I still have half the Jeep to go. I have to go get some more stuff for painting that. The paint gun got a little messed up. But I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one.